Let's dive in the latest property news from Indian market. India's data center sector is undergoing a remarkable transformation, with investments anticipated to reach $5.7 billion United States dollars by 2026, as per a recent JLL report. This development is expected to introduce 791 megawatts of additional capacity and require an expansive 10 million square feet of real estate. The growing adoption of AI technologies, cloud services, and big data analytics is propelling this demand, as businesses increasingly rely on scalable and adaptable cloud solutions to support their digital operations. Data centers have become essential for storing, processing, and transferring massive amounts of data, enabling efficient and reliable technological operations. The surge in social media usage and the popularity of streaming platforms have further driven the need for advanced data centers. These services generate enormous data volumes, demanding robust infrastructure to ensure seamless and uninterrupted access for millions of users. Additionally, the financial sector's pivot toward digitalization, with services like online banking and algorithmic trading, highlights the critical role of secure and efficient data storage. Smaller cities in India, particularly Tier 2 and Tier 3 locations, are emerging as new growth centers for data centers. Currently accounting for 5 to 7% of the country's capacity, these cities are expected to see rapid expansion. Edge data centers, designed for proximity to end users, are gaining traction in cities such as Bhopal, Nagpur, Ranchi, and Madurai. With capacities ranging between 1 to 5 megawatts, these centers minimize latency and enhance performance for data-intensive applications. The government has introduced various measures to support this growth. Initiatives like the National Digital Communications Policy and the Data Center Policy aim to encourage investment and simplify regulatory processes. States have also implemented specific policies to attract data center investments. For example, Uttar Pradesh offers incentives like subsidies on land, capital, and electricity costs, as well as dual power grid access. Similarly, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, and Odisha provide attractive benefits such as land and infrastructure subsidies, tax exemptions, and concessional charges. Additionally, the central government has accorded infrastructure status to the data center industry, facilitating access to long-term financing at competitive rates. With its rapid growth, the sector has become one of India's most promising alternative real estate investments. This dynamic evolution underscores the alignment of technological advancements and economic progress, solidifying India's position as a leader in global digital infrastructure development. We value your input. Your feedback shapes our content. Thanks for watching Pinvest TV.